Hello, I'm in a 2002 Toyota Avalon, and today I'm going to show you how to fill your gas tank. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down and you should see this lever. We'll lift this to release that safety cover. And now we should see that this is popped open. So we'll pull this open, double check there's nothing broken, no debris stuck in here. But from here, double check you're using the proper type of gas as well. This is that little button that released when we push that pulled that lever inside the car. But to fill, you just unscrew, and then with your gas can or from the gas pump, fill as needed. I would use for this particular model like a regular unleaded, something like an 87 grade, but double check that's the right kind for your make and model. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done, and then you can close this, and when you close it all the way, now it's locked in place again, so you'd have to pull this lever again to get to the gas. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.